That is going to be a whopper.
Oh, I forgot to just figure out where my volume is. This is my video cam, my little flip. You good, Dave? Well, now y'all quit talking about marshmallows.
Oh, yeah, that's there. Right. Now watch him try and take a bite out of that one. I think I'll probably just wait until it cools down. And the marshmallow will be...
Now bring that up to your mouth.
One end.
There we go. Kind of a big marshmallow, huh?
Big marshmallows are a novelty.
Yes, they are. The grocery store by us had big masses of... Did you lose yours? Can it make you nervous while you eat your...